So hey guys, I adjusted the radius arm bushings on these, okay? Because I have conflicting installation instructions when I put them on, which was a few years ago. So I thought I'd take them back off and go over the whole thing, and instead of there was a spacer on there, bushing on the radius arm. Okay, so the instructions with this new kit I have, or at the time, yeah, this mode kit says to toss that one. So I did, and I put them on like that. But then when you tighten up the nut would bottom out, right? And I figured, well, I guess that's the way it's supposed to be, right? So after installing the new bushings on the other Bronco, I figured, you know what, yeah, those tighten up differently. Now those have the factory radius arms, so, and aftermarket brackets. This has aftermarket radius arms in the factory brackets. So comparing the two there, and it's like, let's put the bushings back, except I don't have them anymore. I'll just stack some washers on there, and I kind of guesstimate about 3 washers and 4 washers, actually, the washer that comes with the kit, and then just regular flat washers. Put it all back together and torque it to specs, right? 100 pounds. So now they're squishing as you tighten it up, and 100 pounds, that's it. So you know what? That popping sound I was hearing, that fixed that. So it was the radius arm bushings all this time. Oh well, live and learn, right? So now my issue is, I go, great, everything's good, to get a wheel alignment, because now that I got the factory bumper back on there, I took off the heavy winch bumper, the ride height changed, so now the camber's out. And I figured, let me just take it to the shop and not even mess setting the toe or anything. Take it in, have the whole thing aligned, and be ready to go, right? So that's what I did this morning. I chopped it off, went and had breakfast, and they called me and told me, well, they can't do a wheel alignment on it because it needs ball joints. I'm like, on one hand, that is the right way to do it. You check for worn parts before you do the alignment. Otherwise, what good is the alignment if everything's moving, Nothing's going to stay to specs. On the other hand, I want to sell this truck. I don't want to throw any more money into it. But you know what? Last time this truck was aligned, which was probably 4 years ago, they told me the same thing. It needs ball joints. They aligned it though. Rick, the owner, told me, he says, yeah, well, we aligned it for you, but it's going to need ball joints on the right side, the lower right ball joint. So I'm kind of like, you know what? I bet they could have aligned it, but they didn't want to mess with it because it needs a ball joint. But I already knew it needed a ball joint. And in the last 4 years, this truck hasn't gone anywhere, so I don't know how many miles it's got, but not many. It's been sitting here. So I'm a little frustrated with that. I mean, the truck goes straight. The steering wheel needs to be aligned a little. It's a little off. It's like at 10 o'clock. I could do that. The camber I could probably do, but the caster, how do you even measure that without the proper tools? If you get that wrong, it's going to pull to the right, or it'll pull to the left, or me show you the ball joints. Alright, so that's the driver's side lower ball joint. You should be able to see some play in there. Well, yeah, it should move up and down. He says it needs upper and lowers, but I don't know about that. Well, I found something to make a sign with. That works out pretty good. Pre-cut letters. I had some for sale signs on the inside, you know, but you can't see through these tinted windows. Look good that did. So, you can see them if you look up close enough. They're not on there right now. I took them off, but I'll put them back on. It's nice and warm and sunny. I'm going to go out for a hike. Got to get my daily exercise in. Now, I hit the gym yesterday and I'm feeling it today. It's starting to get all tight. Sore. I need to go move around. I'll take it for a drive and I'll think about ordering those ball joints. I just priced them. It's about 60 bucks a set. Okay, upper and lowers. And of course the time to install them and then take it back to the lineman shop. I'll think about it. I just might adjust the toe and let it go at that, you know. Let somebody else deal with it. Slip into something more comfortable, right? Hey, who wants these grills? I want these grills out of here. I keep moving them from this side to that side. Give me something for them, you know. I want them out of here or they're going to the scrapper. And then, stupid dogs. Still got those Fox coilovers for lifted Colorado. Those gotta go. There's $1,000 there. Could use that.